Hello everyone, it's Ivy again of Belpo. So this time, I have another video about the Kujibella soap because tapos naman ko sa Lumibella, so proceed ta sa next variant soap ni Belpo. So I know you're very familiar with the Kujik soaps. And even I, when I was still in college, Kujik na jud akong ginagamit kay lakas maka-bright ng skin girl, atake. Pero, hindi lahat ng Kujik soaps ay effective or yes, dili pud tanan Kujik soap is hiyang ka. Or baka gusto mo ng brightening soaps na gentle lang siya sa skin pero effective pa rin. I got you an answer. So meet Kujibella. It's the another variant soap of Belpo. It's the Kujibella Extra Strength Whitening Soap. So si Kujibella is a two-tone soap of Belpo. Two-tone siya kaya this has an orange tone and a white tone that has kojic acid, vitamin C, and niacinamide. These ingredients is very well known for lightening the dark spots, acne marks, and sun damage. Pero unlike sa other Kujik soaps na sobrang hapdi, di ba hapdos ang Kujik and drying, so other Kujik soaps are drying. So si Kujibella is hindi. Kujibella is very gentle, just like the Lumibella soap. And this is also perfect for those who has sensitive skin like me. So, di ba very pretty tanawa? Tapos napagidariya ang atong logo, naka-imprint din mismo sa soap. And humot po siya. Ganun ko niya, very humot. It's mura siya og citrus ang smell. Okay, you can use this soap every day sa face, sa body, or those parts of your body na need siya maglighten, just like the elbows, the knees, underarms, or anywhere, any part of your body na gusto mo maglighten. Okay, so this is the Kujibella Belpo Kujibella Extra Strength Whitening Soap. Extra strength siya pero gentle pa rin sa atin kung gagamitin natin. Pero wait, if you are wondering what's the difference between Kujibella and the Lumibella, I made another video, so check na lang ninyo sa ako ang profile. Watch it next para malaman mo kung anong pagkakaiba ni Kujibella and Lumibella. And if you have questions, feel free to message me or comment on this video. And please follow our Facebook page, which is the Belpo Main. So thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.